Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So yesterday when I was posing the question for Pepe, where are you going to break? And I was telling you that my personal opinion is you're probably going to see that Pepe start to break to move to the upside, and this is eventually what you're about to do. So a triangle right over here, and you have a break that is happening a little bit over there. So we are breaking to the upside finally, and the only thing I'm going to say, because this video is pretty much going to be really short, and it is also the last date for you to enter the private channel. Now what is private is basically where I take trades and you take trades as well. So Pepe right now is looking to go back to where it came from, and that is going to be 10,600. So do enjoy this little bit of a move, which is going to be a 28% move back to the upside. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love office.